Hello, everyone. Larry Bashara, president of John Adams Mortgage and Total Home Lending. Today is Friday, June 23rd. The more things that change, the more they stay the same. There's so much news that happens that kicks rates up a little bit, news that brings rates down a little bit. They always seem to funnel lately in the range that we're currently in, going into a weekend of open houses. We are in that upper 6 range. If you're a first-time home buyer, will certainly be less than that, which is great. Loan-level price adjustments, remember, go away if you are a first-time home buyer. So make sure going into this open house weekend, you are prepared, pre-approved through our underwriting process. We can move quickly for you guys. Please don't hesitate to call us. In addition to that, what we're seeing with a lot of the market movement we've seen lately, companies react to that a little bit differently with how they price loans. What we are seeing for us is the initial rates that we are able to offer borrowers, prospective borrowers, have been really, really strong. We are winning a lot of deals. We are able to create quick, fast responses and secure pre-approvals through our good-to-go, fully underwritten loan commitments. Please contact us. We are ready. We are want to work with you. Contact us. Contact your loan officer. Contact us for us to put you in touch with one of our loan officers at mortgages@johnadamsmortgage.com. We are here to help. Have a great weekend.